Hey y'all, it's your girl Barbara LaRue and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to do another weekend in my life because I am bartending today and tomorrow, Friday, Saturday. So if you guys want to come with me and see me bartending all weekend and just all the fun things we do in between, then keep watching. So I'm like kind of halfway ready for work. I have my hair done. Cute little like half upsy hairstyle, simple makeup, almost looks natural. And I don't have my little romper on yet. I'm gonna put it on afterwards. I am now going to go get, I need to go get some lashes because I have no lashes right now, and I cannot be going to work looking dry like this because it's not cute. It's not it. So yeah, we're gonna get some lashes and then I want a frappuccino. So I'm gonna drag my girl. So let's go. It's looking real snowy out here. Ah! it's looking real snowy out here. Look, I told you wasn't gonna have a ticket.
They probably put it underneath the snow.
No, they didn't have time. I got my toes out in the snow. Look at this. That's why I parked my car inside. Girl, we're gonna go get some frappuccinos in the middle of the snow. I don't know why, but we're going to go get frappuccinos. She literally sprayed the snow all over my face. It's not even funny.
It's supposed to be melting the snow. There's like hot.
You have to turn on the
oh, you're right. I'm not a real adult. I forgot that's what that shit was for.
Said I'm not a real adult. The windshield wipers, I gotta take the snow. She's trying to get the snow off the bag, but she left the door wide open while I'm in the car. Like, fuck me, right? Just let me get cold. Ah! The hell? Oh, there you go. That's coming out easily. Look at you, having a brush, being prepared, being an adult. Okay, we made it to Giant. I'm gonna look for some lashes for work now. Let's see what they have here. I got some lashes from here last time. They were actually not bad. See, almost something like this. Like, bam, like, you know, a little extra. I need something with a little oomph. So let's see what we pick. I got the super cute lashes. Let's go get some frappuccino. It looks so pretty with the snow and the lights at this time of night. Even if you're not ready for the day. They are closed. Why? It says 9 o'clock on the website. This is false advertisement. I'm so sad. I really wanted a frappuccino. And they're closed, but on the website it says they close at 9. We're gonna get something from here because Starbucks is open. I mean, Starbucks is closed, so we're gonna get a cold brew. Thank you. Chuck, baby, you gotta pay for it.
Wow.
I got a coffee cold brew. You're in my shots.
Sorry.
I got a coffee cold brew chocolate chip with almond milk.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Where are your straws? Oh, thank you. Excited. Can you open it? It tastes like really strong.
Strong?
It's like chocolate.
You know how a little strong chocolate?
I will not be eliminated tonight, but what? I'll come out these shoes. Amen. Yo, make some noise for this animosity. Drag art in all of its glory. However, I will never miss an opportunity to celebrate local drag.
Yes, local drag.
And this crowd is filled with some off-duty queens.
We feel you. We're about to point y'all hoes out. See, they came in here thinking they were gonna be real secret and real trade-like tonight.
Some of them. But wait, some of them are still kind.
It's still cunt, but we know you're the girl.
Look.
Hi. Say hi.
Here's to the women that are classy. To the ladies that are sassy. And to all you freaks that like to get nasty.
What's up, y'all? It's the next day. It's 2:30. I'm so sorry. I forgot to vlog last night. We left at like 3 o'clock and I was honestly exhausted. I just came home and like passed out. I woke up today at like 1 and then I just stayed in bed and did like absolutely nothing. Look who's here. Bruno's here. Say hello, Bruno. So last night was okay. It was a pretty slow night. I feel like January is going to be like that. It's always like that. It's like right after the holidays. It's really cold right now, on top of like the new COVID surge. We had a good crowd because of the drag show and that was like really fun. But after that things kind of like slowed down. For the rest of the night it was like very, very, very slow compared to usual, but it was still a really good night. I made 80 in cash and I think in credit card like 200 something maybe. Yeah, not a good night, but it's okay. It was fun. It was good. It's, yeah, like I said, it's 2:30. I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna go get some coffee and then I really should go to Walmart because I need to get some stuff, like house stuff. Whether I'm gonna go or not, I don't know. It just depends on how I feel and how long I'm at the gym for and stuff like that, because I do have to be at work at 7 p.m. today to talk to one of my managers. My shift starts at 10, but he said to be there around 7:30, 7 o'clock to talk to him. So I'm gonna be there early and just kind of stick around, which means I have to get ready early and, you know, all of that. You know, we take some time to get ready, so we can't just, it's not like just shower, go. No, we gotta get cute for work. So we'll see if we actually make it to Walmart. But right now, we're gonna go to the gym. Bruno wants attention. We're gonna do back, we're doing triceps today. We're doing chest. Probably start with a little cardio. So yeah, let's go. You guys can't see. All right, let's go. Hello. I got my very delicious peace coffee and I actually tried a new latte that they had. It's called a churro latte. I love churros. Sorry, I had to lock my car up. I love churros, so I was like, well, let's try this new churro latte. I almost busted my ass, but it's actually pretty fucking bomb. I'm home now and I'm actually gonna get cute because one of my friends hit me up and he's like, girl, let's go out because I want to be in the streets before work tonight. I said, say no more, let's go. It's lighting. I'm like, where are we going? So yeah, let's go get cute. I'm gonna grab a little drink and the food real quick before work. What's up, y'all? I am all ready. Fit is done. This is from Fashion Nova. Got these from H&M. This shirt is lit. Love the shirt. Orange beanie, and then I have my white Air Forces. So keeping it cute. I'm gonna throw my jacket on. Fix lighting. This lighting is I had to fix the lighting a little bit. But yeah, already I packed my work bag, so I'm gonna go from the little restaurant we're meeting up at, which is at City Center, straight to work. So all ready to go, packing my water, packing my work outfit, my shoes, my little snacks, because it's about to be a long motherfucking day, right? I'm ready, so let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go get some drink and some food. I made it, and it's so cute. They still have all the little Christmas lights out here. So the place where we're going is called City Center. And I'm gonna show you guys. It gets even cuter when you get like closer in. Okay, this is like the really cute bar where all the restaurants are at. And I'm pretty much just gonna like pick a restaurant where we're gonna go. This one looks really cute. They got little fire things going on, but yeah, it's super cute down here. Super cute. Got all like their nice luxury stores. This is another restaurant. But yeah, I'm waiting for him to get here. But so I just want to show you guys real quick what it looks like down here. City Center, DC. It's so pretty, and I'm pretty fucked. Okay, we made it. Well, he's not here yet, but I got us a table at this like really cute place. This is our table. I don't want to film everything else because everybody else is here, but it's super cute. So I'm just gonna give him a couple minutes. He should be here soon, and I'm gonna order me a cocktail. Let's see. Cheers, Bill.
Cheers.
Date night. It's so cute. Hello guys, good afternoon. It is officially the next day. It's Sunday. I totally forgot to vlog yesterday. I went to dinner with my coworker, like you guys saw, and then I went to go meet with my manager at work, and we had the meeting, and then I went like right into work, so I just totally forgot to vlog at all. So sorry about that. But yes, the next day, it's Sunday, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I am not at home. I am at my girl's house, as you can see, because she has this like pretty wall and all the arts behind, and she is making breakfast. Where's the breakfast? I look absolutely crazy. Oh, the breakfast is here. It looks so good. Look. Even though it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're eating. This is probably like considered brunch more than it is breakfast. But we're going to eat now and watch something. We're watching Girl Interrupted, but it's kind of sad. So I think I'm gonna watch something more like lively, something different. This is, yeah, not it right now. But I'll be back when I actually get up and start my day. Hello, I am back home now. And actually today went to Walmart. I went to Walmart. I got the bin so I can put all of my Christmas stuff away, and then I got a bunch of things that I needed for the house. So it's, I was sneezing. It's 7 o'clock at night now. I know it's like pretty late, but if you guys already know me, I thrive at nighttime. So I'm gonna get out of these clothes that are not even mine. I'm going to put my groceries away because I also went to Giant and I got some groceries for the week. By the way, there's absolutely no meat in the fucking grocery store. It's so weird, like chicken, or there's no chicken, there's nothing. There's no motherfucking meat. I don't know why. I'm gonna start my Sunday at 7 o'clock at night. I know it's like really baffling, but this is really my life. This is really how I live my life. This is it. Okay, so welcome to the ride. Bruno, say hi, Bruno. Hello. Say hello to my little friend. gonna pack all the Christmas stuff in the bin that I got. And how sad, we bought a gingerbread village and literally never made it. So I guess I'm just gonna put it away and we can build it next year. And I'm gonna try to drag this tree out of here. Yeah, I did it. I took the Christmas tree out. I got my plant corner bag, my plant bag here. I gotta fill it up with more plants and art. And I vacuumed, so all my Christmas stuff is gone now. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go move on to the room now because except for my office area, everything else is pretty clean. I took all the Christmas stuff out of my little bar too, except the sweater because the sweater is cute. But everything else is pretty much done. Such a vibe. Such a vibe. So another reason I went to Walmart was to get these bins because my drawer broke and this is where I have all of my work clothes. It's one of my favorites. It's a custom made one, and yeah, so this is all of my work clothes, believe it or not. And then I have a bunch of like the stockings that we wear and like the socks that we wear. So I'm gonna try to put all of this in these two bins and organize it. So let's see how that goes. I'm actually surprised that it all fit, but I'm glad that it did. I'm gonna have to now put them in my closets. Hello, I am so proud of myself. I got so much accomplished today. Took all the Christmas stuff, vacuumed, cleaned the kitchen, cleaned the whole like work clothes fiasco, and then I made myself a nice little dinner. I got some steak, a little salad, and of course my favorite wine. Like if you guys follow me, you already know what it is. It's wine down time. I'm watching In Just Like That. Ooh, sorry. I'm watching In Just Like That, and I love it. I'm over here like low-key, high-key crying. This show, I like grew up with Sex and the City, so watching this show now, first of all, is really weird because Samantha is not in it, but it's also like, I love it. It's just, it's so, I can't even describe it. It just makes me feel like a teenager again because I grew up watching Sex and the City. I'm gonna watch the rest of the show, enjoy my delicious steak, medium rare, because that's how you eat meat. You need some juice and some blood in there. And then I'm gonna go shower because I needed to wash his hair. This is trifling. And I'm just gonna chill, so I'll be back. I'll be back. What up? I finished dinner. I'm about to hop in the shower, but I wanted to show you guys what I got at Walmart real quick. First of all, look how cute these Q-tips are. Okay, I needed to like zoom in because they're like leopard print Q-tips. Like, can you see how cute this is? Look at that. They're leopard print Q-tips. I mean, I was like, I had to get this. I got a mask for my hair. I'm gonna put on tonight, so we'll see how this one goes. I love sugar scrubs, so I got this. I'm gonna try. It's a new one. I also got a new razor. Just gonna see how it goes. I never tried this one, but it's similar to the other one that I get, so should be good. We'll see. I got a mask. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this tonight. If I kind of am just really exhausted. Honestly, it's like 10:30, but I'm pretty fucking tired. So we'll see how I feel, and then I got. We have like a little self-care day tomorrow, and this because this is like for a bath, and I'm definitely not taking a bath right now because I need to wash my hair. So I think I'm gonna leave this for tomorrow, but I'm definitely gonna use this today. And yeah, I'm gonna go shower and wash his hair because yeah, I need to. Also, I 100% brought the whole bottle to the bathroom. Like, judge me if you want, I don't care, but I need to be able to refill. I need my refill to be accessible. Okay. Oh my god, I feel amazing right now after that amazing shower. My skin feels soft with the scrub that I use. My hair feels amazing. I use this mask. It just feels so like fresh and clean and soft. And I am in bed finally. So I actually didn't tell you guys, but the reason why I was meeting with my manager on Saturday which was yesterday, was because I actually got promoted to manager position of the queer bar that I am working at. Super excited. I honestly can't even believe that it really happened. Like, yep, it happened, and I'm the manager. And so there's a lot of like different things that I want to start doing, especially for social media and like events, and just a lot of new stuff that I want to bring. So after my super accomplished evening, I am now finishing off the night in bed with my laptop and my wine, and I'm going to work on some promotional stuff for our social medias and stuff like that. Just gonna get the ball rolling. We have a meeting tomorrow, so I want to come in, make sure I have some new stuff already, some new plans, you know, coming in hot. But yeah, so that pretty much wraps up this crazy vlog, which was supposed to be like a bartending weekend vlog, and it just ended up being like all over the place weekend vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for continuing to join me in my journey as I continue to grow and blossom, and just kind of like as life happens, I get to share all these little moments with you, and I think it's really amazing, and I really just appreciate it. So yeah, love you guys, and I will see you guys very, very soon next week, because we are posting once a week now. Love you, and yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.